Welcome to our showdown of two powerful motherboards from ASUS's TUF gaming series. Today, we will dive deep into the features, specifications, and pricing of the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 WF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi. Both motherboards are designed for gamers, but they cater to different CPU preferences and budgets. Let's see how they stack up against each other. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650 WF is compatible with AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, making it an excellent choice for AMD enthusiasts. On the other hand, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi supports Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th generation core processors, providing a robust option for Intel users. This fundamental difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for gamers when selecting their motherboard. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 WF is priced at $219, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. In contrast, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi comes in at $249, reflecting its additional features and capabilities. The price difference is a significant factor for many gamers looking to build or upgrade their systems. The ASUS TUF Gaming B650 WF offers solid features such as PCIe 5.0, Wi-Fi 6, and Aura Sync RGB lighting, catering well to gamers. However, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi takes it a step further with advanced features like Thunderbolt 4, 4M.2 slots, and a superior power delivery system with 16+1 DRMOS. These additional features may appeal to high-end gamers and those looking for future-proofing their builds. In conclusion, both the ASUS TUF Gaming B650 WF and the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi motherboards have their strengths and cater to different audiences. The B650 Plus is a great value for AMD users, while the Z790 Plus offers premium features for Intel enthusiasts. Make sure to choose the one that best fits your gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.